Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Luganda with Kamlegia Ben videos. And today we are going to finalize with personal expressions. But before, don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the bell button so that you don't miss out any of my videos. So let's start. I trust you. I trust you. Nkwesiga. Nkwesiga. I trust you is nkwesiga. Hello Ben. Hello Ben. Ogamba ki Ben. Ogamba ki Ben. Hello Ben is ogamba ki Ben. Hello Sarah. Hello Sarah. Ogamba ki Sarah. Ogamba ki Sarah. How are you? How are you? Oli otya. Oli otya. Oli otya. I am fine. I am fine. Ndi bulungi. Ndi bulungi. I am fine is ndi bulungi. I am not fine. I am not fine. Siri bulungi. Siri bulungi. I can't sleep. I can't sleep. Sisobola kwebaka. Sisobola kwebaka. I can't sleep is sisobola kwebaka. I am happy. I am happy. Ndi musanyufu. Ndi musanyufu. I am happy is ndi musanyufu. Weraba. 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 Bye bye. Bye bye. Weraba is bye bye. I think. I think. Ndowooza. Ndowooza. I think is ndowooza. Why? Why? Lwaki. Lwaki. Why is lwaki. Sorry. Sorry. Ng'olabye. Ng'olabye. Sorry is ng'olabye. Sorry is ng'olabye. Please note, sorry must be polite. So you shouldn't say sorry while you're shouting. For example, sorry! No, in Luganda, that's not the way how we do it. It should be polite. So you should say, sorry. Ng'olabye. Ng'olabye. Stay well. Stay well. Siba bulungi. Siba bulungi. Siba bulungi. Stay well is siba bulungi. Thank you very much for watching. But before we end this video, we are going to end with a simple conversation so that you can memorize what you've studied or what you've learned. It is going to be between Ben and Sarah, for example, but you can substitute in your name to make this video wonderful. Ogamba ki Sarah. Ogamba ki Sarah. Ndi bulungi. Ndi bulungi. Oli otya. Oli otya. Ndi bulungi. Ndi bulungi. Or if she's not feeling fine, she might say siri bulungi. Siri bulungi. Lwaki. Lwaki. Lwaki? Ndi mulwadde. Ndi mulwadde. Ndi mulwadde. Ng'olabye. Ng'olabye. Weeraba. 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 Thanks very much for watching. Please don't forget that we're going to link up in the next video.